In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare TurboTax plans. To get started, open your web browser and go to the TurboTax pricing page. This is the main place where TurboTax lays out its filing options, pricing details, and feature comparisons all in one view. If you want to choose the best plan for your situation, this page is the easiest place to begin. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see the section called Explore TurboTax Filing Options. This area gives you a quick overview of the main ways you can file, and it's designed to help you understand the differences before you commit to a plan. Here, you'll want to compare the three filing options. The first is Do It Yourself, which is for people who want to prepare and file their own taxes using guided software. The second is Expert Assist, which still lets you file your own return, but with unlimited on-demand help from tax experts whenever you need support. The third is Expert Full Service, where a dedicated tax expert prepares and files your return for you. As you review these choices, think about how much help you want and how hands-on you'd like to be during the filing process. Next, take a close look at the pricing, ratings, and key features shown for each option. This is helpful because the lowest priced option may not always be the best fit if you need extra support or more expert involvement. Ratings can also give you a quick sense of how each service is positioned. After that, scroll further down to the Compare Filing Options table. This section gives you a more detailed side-by-side breakdown, which makes it much easier to spot what's included in each plan. As you compare, pay attention to features like whether an expert prepares your taxes, whether an expert signs and files your return, and whether unlimited expert help is included. You should also review options such as Final Expert Review, Year-Round Expert Support, Guaranteed Accuracy, the ability to snap and import documents, Audit Support, and the Maximum Refund Guarantee. Looking at these features closely can help you match a plan to your comfort level, tax complexity, and support needs. Once you've reviewed everything and found the option that best fits your tax needs, click Start for free under that plan. That will take you to the next step so you can begin filing with the option you selected. Thanks for watching.